Hi, I'm going to show you how to create this Instagram trending 3D image and convert this image to video. So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. For this, we have to open Google Gemini and then you have to paste the prompt from the description. So this will be the prompt to create the 3D image. So after that, you have to upload your image. You can upload your own image or any other images. So I'm going to upload this image. So you have to select open. So after that, you have to generate the image. So you have to wait for this. It will generate your 3D image. So it successfully generated the image. So you can see the image. You can also download the image for free. The process is very simple. First, you need to upload the image. So after that, you have to paste the prompt from the description. And then you have to generate the image. It's very simple process. And your image will be successfully generated. Now I'm going to show you how to convert this image to video. For that, you can use the free version Google AI Studio. So it contains the free version of VO2. Sometimes some accounts have VO3 for free, but in my account, VO2 is for free. So you can select the aspect ratio and then you can select the video duration. You can select up to 8 seconds. Now you need to upload the image. That is the 3D image. You have to upload that image. For the animation prompt, we can use ChatGPT. So you have to upload the image. And then you can ask the animation prompt. So I'm going to type for above image, I want gun style animation. Toy gun style animation. Prompt for Google VO2. So you can use any other AI video generator. I'm going to use Google VO2. 8-second video format. So after that, I need the animation prompt in JSON format. So that's the trending format JSON. So I'm going to ask the toy should make some animation in JSON format. So after that, ChatGPT will generate animation prompt for you. So it will generate all the settings in JSON format. So after that, you have to copy the prompt and paste the prompt in Google VO2. So and then you have to select run. So you have to wait for this. It will generate your video in 2 minutes. So after that, you can download the video for free. You can select the download option and then you can open the video for free. So like this, you can ask any kind of animation prompt from ChatGPT for your 3D image. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends.